turning managers into leaders, helping people shine.
Are workflow delays keeping your teams from reaching their goals? Identifying workflow bottlenecks is the first step to improving cross-functional processes. These bottlenecks, caused by unclear responsibilities, resource constraints, or communication breakdowns, can slow progress and frustrate teams. So addressing these issues isn't just about fixing delays. It's about fostering alignment, driving efficiency, and building stronger collaboration across departments. Here's how leaders can approach this challenge effectively. The first step in identifying workflow bottlenecks is mapping the current process. Create a visual representation of the workflow, outlining each step, who's responsible, and how teams interact. Tools like Miro or Lucidchart can make this collaborative and accessible for cross-functional teams. Pay close attention to areas where tasks experience frequent delays or handoffs between teams fail, or teams repeatedly cite resource shortages. For example, if marketing waits weeks for IT to implement updates, mapping this workflow might reveal a resource constraint or a prioritization issue. Visualization makes these bottlenecks easier to spot and address. Ask targeted questions like, which steps in the workflow cause the most delays? Or are there repetitive or unnecessary tasks that could be removed? What improvements would make your role easier? For example, sales might report delays in handoffs to customer support due to incomplete information. These insights not only pinpoint bottlenecks, but also provide ideas for solutions that align with team needs. Finding bottlenecks, though, is only the start. Dig deeper to understand why they're happening. Use the 5 whys method to uncover root causes. So, for instance, why is there a delay in handoffs? Because teams don't know what details to include. Why don't they know what details to include? There's no standardized checklist. By getting to the root of the issue, and that's what the 5 whys technique does, you ensure that your solutions address the true source of the problem rather than just the symptoms. Once you've identified the bottlenecks and their root causes, it's time to implement solutions. Examples could include automating repetitive tasks to free up resources for higher value work, or introducing shared project management tools to improve visibility and accountability, or standardizing handoff procedures to eliminate confusion between teams. For instance, if a team feedback delays are highlighted due to unclear roles, create a cross-functional RACI matrix. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. And this matrix helps you clarify ownership at every stage. Solutions like this not only resolve bottlenecks, but also strengthen collaboration. Resolving bottlenecks, though, is an ongoing process. After implementing changes, track their impact to ensure they've been effective. Metrics like reduced delays or smoother handoffs and improved team satisfaction can signal success. Revisit workflows regularly to uncover any new issues as processes evolve. Continuous improvement keeps teams aligned and ensures that identifying workflow bottlenecks remains an integral part of your cross-functional strategy. Identifying workflow bottlenecks isn't just about fixing inefficiencies. It's actually a tool for fostering collaboration, streamlining processes, and driving alignment. By mapping workflows and gathering feedback, and then implementing targeting solutions, leaders can unlock their team's full potential. So start improving your cross-functional workflows today by addressing the bottlenecks that are holding your team back. This is Merge Gupta-Sunderji with a Merge Management Moment.
Turning managers into leaders, helping